Hello, fashion enthusiasts and style seekers. Welcome back to Fashion School for Men, the ultimate destination for sartorial inspiration and trend-setting looks. I will be your guide through the ever-evolving world of men's fashion. Today, we're diving into a style extravaganza where we'll unpack some killer outfit ideas that will have you turning heads and making a statement with your wardrobe. From street chic to business casual, we've curated a collection that's not just about clothes but about expressing your unique personality. Fashion is more than what you wear, it's a form of self-expression, and today's lineup is designed to inspire you to explore, experiment, and elevate your style game. Whether you're gearing up for a casual day out, a sophisticated evening event, or just want to nail that effortlessly cool look, we've got you covered. So, buckle up and get ready for a style journey that's about to unfold. Before we dive into the fashion frenzy, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell, so you never miss out on the latest trends and style tips. Now, without further ado, let the fashion show begin. Get ready for some jaw-dropping outfit ideas for men coming your way. Let's make a statement together.